Eat Me. In Alice in Wonderland, Alice finds herself in a strange world where nothing follows the usual rules. She discovers a tiny cake labeled Eat Me. Curious and brave, she takes a bite. Instead of staying the same, she begins to grow larger and larger. This magical cake changes her size and helps her continue her journey through Wonderland. What I love about this scene is that it reminds us of the creative journey. Every artist has an Eat Me moment, a moment when we choose to try something new. Maybe it is drawing a character for the first time, or experimenting with a different style, or picking up a pencil after a long break. At first, change can feel uncomfortable. Just like Alice, we may feel like we don't fit. Sometimes our drawings don't turn out as we imagined. Sometimes we feel we have grown beyond our comfort zone. But growth is exactly what art is about. Every sketch teaches us something. Every mistake helps us improve. Every drawing expands our observation, our imagination, and our confidence. So, today, as we draw this Eat Me cake, remember that it is more than just a magical dessert. It represents curiosity, courage, and the willingness to grow. The next time you hesitate to drawing, think of Alice. Take that first step. Stay curious and let your creativity grow one sketch at a time. Happy drawing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.